May I, Your Lordship?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. This matter may be listed after 4 weeks.
On behalf of the government,
Yes, Your Lordship. I determine, Your Lordship, on the behalf.
MS Censor, Learned Government Advocate, seeks adjournment of the case after 4 weeks. Prayer is allowed, or lesser recording. Okay.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 13, Your Lordship.
1-3.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly take up this matter in the next week, Your Lordship.
On the
Next week.
prayer of MS Censor, Learned Government Advocate, listed after a week.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 14 also, Your Lordship.
Wonderful.
Here, yes, Your Lordship, here I have to file affidavit, Your Lordship, on behalf of this. On behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
1 and 2.
Yes. Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, 2 weeks may be granted, Your Lordship.
MS Censor, Learned Government Advocate, seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks.
For 7 and 8, Your Lordship. Respondent 7 and 8.
For respondent number 7 and 8. For 2 weeks to file affidavit in opposition. Okay. Okay.
Lordship, and item number 19 also, Your Lordship. Here also we have to file affidavit on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship.
Respondent 1 and 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Same order, 1 and 2. Respondent
Yes.
1 and 2.
For 2 weeks. Your
Item 19.
Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I want to mention item 31. The matter may be listed for after 3 weeks.
Pardon?
I'm for the petitioner, item
Yes.
31,
Yes.
31.
Ah.
I'm praying for adjournment today. Matter may be listed up to a 3 week.
3 weeks.
Yes.
On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, the matter is adjourned for 3 weeks. Okay.
Much obliged.
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship.
Item 6.
Yes, Lordship. Here I am petitioner, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship, this matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Your counsel for the petitioner,
Petitioner, Lordship.
on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I
Madam-
beg to mention one unlisted matter, WPC number 4459 of 2020.
What is that urgency? Why?
Urgency is that on 2nd of September, there is another matter also is a related one already
2nd of?
fixed. 2nd September.
Correct.
So this matter may be fixed on that same date,
7.
2nd September,
no.
2 September.
You
So-
want this unlisted item to be listed on a 2nd.
No, this is last sorted on 23/8 of 24. 28 of this month. But I'm now praying for the list on September 2. 2nd September, this coming month.
Okay, let us see whether any order has been passed in that case.
There is another matter also is fixed on 2nd September and
Now, when is that matter fixed, which you are mentioning?
no, this is unlisted matter.
Oh, unlisted matter?
Yes, I'm praying for listing up on 20 September, 2 September, next month to 2nd September. Because
This is a new case or?
no, this is not a new case. This is a non-payment of ex gratia
Unlisted,
compensation, yes. And A.K. Prakastov, he'll be appearing from
okay,
Guwahati.
it's all right, whoever appears.
Yes,
I just want to know whether this is a new case or not.
this is not new case, Your Honor. This is of 2023.
Yes, that's why I'm asking whether any order has been passed in that case, which you are mentioning.
Order.
Whether any order has been passed in that case, which you are mentioning.
Yes, for 2 September only.
This is a pending case, which you are
Is it-
mentioning.
Yes, pending case.
That's why I'm asking you whether in the last order, any date has been fixed.
Fix- Last date was sought on 23, Lordship. That, on 23, the opposite party, government
Okay,
side
let's
has
do
been
tomorrow. Let's do
adjourned.
tomorrow. Let us. Yes, let us
Your
do-
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7
Yes,
on behalf of respondent number 7,
Yes.
Y Dole. Your Lordship, matter may be list on 5 September,
1st September,
5 September,
Oh,
5th
5
September.
on the prayer of Ms. M.S. Senso. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 7, listed on 5/9/2024. Okay,
May Lordship, I beg
Yes,
to
ma'am.
mention item number 28. Since the leading counsel of this petitioner is out of session, so
Yes.
kindly this matter may be
who is the
List
leading
of-
counsel?
S. Mao, Sunil Mao.
Tismo, okay. M.S. Senso.
It's
Learned Counsel
after
submits
2
that
weeks.
Mr. Esmo, leading counsel, is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
God bless you.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, with the consent of all the opposite parties, I am praying for the adjournment of item number 32 for a week, Your Lordship.
32.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're the counsel for the,
Petitioner, yes.
your good name?
Idak Bam, Your Lordship.
Your good name?
Idak Bam.
Idak Bam.
Yes, Lord.
Yes. Okay. On the prayer of Mr. Idak Bam, the learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after
A week, Your Lordship.
a week. Stop, the consent of the other side has been obtained.
Highly obliged.
My Lordship,
Yes, please.
I beg to mention item number 10 on behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk, Standing Council Land Management.
Item
Number 10,
10 on behalf of Mr.
D. Kamduk, Standing Council for Land Management, Respondent 1 and 2.
Standing Council,
Land Management,
Land Management.
Respondent 1 and 2. I've taken consent from the other party. We have received the Paravas reply here, so we may be given one week time.
Mr. Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. D. Kamduk, the Learned Standing Council, Land Management, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks for filing affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged.
My Lordship, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 on behalf of NPADA.
1/8.
Yes, 1/8. Kindly this matter may list after 3 weeks.
Mr. Senso, Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N. Pada, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
My lord, may I mention item number 9?
Yes, please.
Here I am for the petitioner. Conducting counsel, Mr. R. Sonar, he's out of station. Kindly this matter may be adjourned for today.
Mr. Senso, Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. R. Suna, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11.
11.
Yes, Your
Yes,
item may be fixed after 2 weeks.
you are mentioning on behalf of
Petition. Arson.
R.
Sonar.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. R. Sonar, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Yes. Yes.
Your Lordship, we are, the petitioners are this junior engineers. And this due for promotion to the next higher grade, my lord, to the assistant engineer, my lord. Your Lordship, department, my lord, from time to time, government and the respondent department from time to time has been formulating some policy decisions, my lord. Instead of this creating new posts, my lord, they have been upgrading the lower grade to the upper grade, my lord. Your lordship, please come to page number 209.
Where is the impugn order or where is the impugn letter? Let us see that.
My lord. My lord, it is in page number 45.
Page number?
45, annexure 2. My lord,
This is what? Impugn letter?
impugn letter, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Just wait. Let us see your prayer.
Submission of additional.
Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Let us see your prayer.
Page 45, my lord. Annexure 2.
Just wait, just wait.
Yes, read, my lord. Submission of additional vacancy for direct recruitment of assistant engineer civil in Arunachal Pradesh Public Works Department. In continuation to our letter number dated 1/8/2023, copy and close, regarding proposal for requisition for conduct of 36 vacant posts of assistant engineer civil, I am forwarding here another 31 more posts of assistant engineer against direct recruit quota to a total post of 67. The details indicated in press performa format for recruitment of assistant engineer civil Arunachal Pradesh Public Works Department is enclosed here with the breakup of 31 posts are 24 posts reserved for APST, 6 unreserved posts, and 1 post for PW, my lord. Your lordship, here there are two aspects, my lord. First, there was 36 posts, my lord. We have no objection there. About
36 posts.
30, earlier it was requisition, my lord, and it is pending this recruitment, my lord.
Okay.
But
So you have no grievance regarding 36 posts.
36 posts, I
You
have.
have a grievance
Yes,
only with regard to the requisition of 31 additional
31,
posts.
31, my lord.
What is your grievance? Why?
My lord, there were 38 vacancies, 38 vacancies, my lord.
38 vacancy.
38 vacancies. As per recruitment rule, my lord,
But the requisition is only for 31.
31, my lord.
So,
As per recruitment rule, my lord, there should be, we are junior engineers waiting for this promotion, my lord.
okay.
And what they have done, out of 38, my lord, they should have sent 19 posts, my lord, because recruitment rule says, my lord, RR page 52, my lord.
No, but this letter speaks about only 31 posts.
31 posts, my lord.
So where is the rules?
Rules, my lord, page 52, my lord.
Page,
Page 52, my lord. Relevant
just wait,
is page,
just wait, let me. Page 52.
page 52. Relevant is
Just wait,
page.
page
Yes, my lord.
52.
Relevant
Okay,
is
rules.
page 53, column 11, my lord.
11. Yes, what does column 11 says?
Column 11
What
says,
is this? What is this anyhow?
uh,
This rules may be called the recruitment to the post of assistant engineer rules 2005.
my lord. The recruitment rule governing the
Where is your column 11?
column 11 method of
53.
recruitment, whether by direct recruitment or by deputation, transfer, and percentage of vacancies to be filled up by various methods. Number 1, 50% by promotion and 50% by direct,
What I have not understood this method of recruitment.
my lord.
whether by direct or by deputation / transfer. What does it mean?
My lord, actually, they have made this entry generally, but they have provided 50% of the total vacancy will have to be filled up through this direct recruitment below, my lord, and another remaining 50% shall have to be filled up through this promotion, my lord. From amongst the junior engineers, my lord, it is in 12, my lord. This 12, column 12 has been this annexed, this amended, my lord, and this amended portion is in page number 54, next, my lord. Page number 54, last line.
Page 54.
Yes, my lord, last line. Last line, by promotion from amongst the junior engineers of the department who have rendered 8 years of regular service in the grade and pass in account examination as junior engineers, my lord. We all are here. We have rendered more than, we have rendered 18 to 20 years in JE grade, my lord, grade of junior engineer, and all we have cleared account examination also, my lord. Your lordship, department and the government, my lord, from time to time, instead of this creating new posts, my lord, has been upgrading posts, my lord. Lower post to the upper post, upper grade, my lord, with manpower, my lord. Instance is in page number 29, my lord, or 209, my lord, 209.
So basically your case is that this requisition letter is in violation of the rules.
Yes,
That is your-
my lord. There were 38 posts, my lord.
No, but
38
requisition says only 31.
my lord.
So 31 post means,
I will clear it, my lord. Your lordship,
no, which is not there on record.
it is in record, my lord. We have-
38
Yes,
posts.
yes, my lord. We have filed it, my lord.
Ah.
My lord. Page 217, my lord.
Page,
Page 217, my lord. My lord, what they have said, my lord.
yes.
My lord. May I read, my lord? Last line, the overall total vacancy up to 31/12/2024 is 36 posts, my lord.
No, but you will not agree by this order.
My
This only shows the vacancy position. You're only agree.
vacancy position, my lord.
That's why I am saying that this is only showing the vacancy position. Maybe out of this, 31 posts has been requisitioned. And the requisition, 31 post requisition is not in accordance with the rules. That's all.
No, no, my lord. It is opposing the rule, my lord.
Where is your prayer? Where
My-
is your prayer?
My prayer is, my lord,
What is your prayer?
my prayer is to direct this respondent authority to allocate 50/50, my lord. as per-
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, my lord.
And your prayer, your first prayer, let us see, two questions set aside, what? You are bringing that 38 post to confuse your, to actually confuse your case. Your prayer is the question set aside the letter dated 5 August 2024.
Yes, my lord.
And letter, what is a letter dated
Let-
5
let-
August 2024?
Letter
This
say
is requisitioning 31 posts only.
31 posts, my lord.
Beyond that, I cannot.
31 posts.
I cannot go into 38 post. I cannot go into 38 post.
My lord, they have requisition 31 posts, my lord.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
My lord, no,
Exactly.
no, 31 posts. There should not be, if it is ratio 50/50 is maintained, my lord. 50/50 ratio is maintained, my lord. 38.
You
divided-
first tell the government to actually requisition 38 posts, then I can actually concede to what you are submitting. But as per your petition, this letter speaks only about 31 posts.
31 posts, my lord.
Yes,
My lord. And they have admitted, my lord, there
forget about their admission.
is 38 posts, my lord. Vacancy is reflected, my lord. In their
Sir.
record, they have reflected.
What is not there in the impugn order?
My lord.
How can this court go beyond that impugn order? If you want 38 posts, you first tell the department to requisition
no, my
38 posts.
My lord, we are not against that. We are not demanding 38 posts, my lord.
Then,
We are demanding half of the 38, my lord, 50-50 as per the recruitment rule, my lord.
half of the 38 posts, how can you demand that? When actually the impugn letter is only for 31 posts?
31 posts, my lord, that kills this prospect of being considered for consideration for this.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord.
you are asking something beyond the impugn letter, which this court cannot give you. You are asking something beyond the impugn letter, which this court cannot give you. This impugn letter does not mention 38 posts. This impugn letter mentions only 31 posts.
My lord, in their record.
You go to the department, you tell the department to issue a fresh letter stating requisitioning 38 posts. Then this court will entertain you.
My lord.
You are asking something which is out of the impugn order, which this court cannot grant.
My lord, actually, they
Be
have,
reasonable at least.
no, they have.
You
admitted,
cannot
my lord.
import something which is not there in the impugn order. You cannot import something which is not there in the impugn order.
No, impugn order, we are challenging it, my lord, because they have requisition should have been made within recruitment rule, my lord. That was our submission.
That this court has understood. You need not repeat that. I am asking you, how can this court go into 38 posts?
Because they have.
That is actually the post, that is actually the post available, but actually the requisition post is only 31.
31 is in excess of recruitment rule, my lord. That is our contention, my lord, because 50-50, I have, brought your lordship to recruitment rule, my lord.
I have understood you, I have understood your case. The only issue is with 31 posts and 38 posts. If you want 38 posts, you tell the department to actually mention 38 posts in the requisition letter.
No, 38 posts will be way far more excessive, my lord. Even 31 is excessive, my lord. What we say is.
I have understood your case, mister. I have understood. Please don't explain. I have understood your case. You are saying is that even if it is 36, 38 or 31, it should be 50% as per the rules.
My lord.
But I'm asking you, where does the 38 come from?
My lord, we are actually coming, my lord. It is in record, my lord.
It is in record, it is not there in the impugn order. It is not in the impugn order. Arey bhai, please try to understand your case first.
My lord, in requisition.
That is the position, that is the vacancy position. Maybe 38 is the vacancy position, this court understands. But 38 is not reflected in the impugn order, 31 posts is reflected in the impugn order. What more?
My lord, in record, my lord, in record, they have clearly stated that it is 38 posts. And only seven should only.
Okay.
Only 7.
Let us do one thing. You approach the department, you please tell them to reflect 38 posts in the impugn order, then we will see. Now I cannot.
My lord, actually, then in that case, my lord, please come to page number 2.
Yes, Mr. Arjun.
Lordship, I'm just a recruiting agency, Lordship. So for this vacancy and concern, Learned Friend will explain. Lordship.
Yes, Learned Government Advocate, what is the impugn order? What is this for 31 posts or 38?
Yes, they are saying there are 38 vacancies, Your Lordship, but
Okay,
as per this letter, Your Lordship, I have seen that they have given for requisition for another 31 more posts, Your Lordship. But earlier, Your Lordship, they have sent for 36 vacant posts, Your Lordship. May I kindly see, Your Lordship?
36 they have earlier sent.
Earlier and now 31. So total there are 67.
But Learned Counsel for the petitioner has stated that he is not concerned with 36 posts. He is not concerned with 36 posts. So let us confine to 31 posts.
But for direct recruitment, they have requisition for 67 total, 36 plus 31. Your Lordship, may kindly see, Your Lordship, here.
Then we cancel.
Lordship, Lordship, we don't know whether it's 38 or 67. So Your Lordship may kindly give me some time to get the instruction. the total sanction strength of the AE, Your Lordship, in the department, Your Lordship. Next week, Your Lordship, I'll get the instruction.
In the meantime, we stay this impugn letter.
Lordship may not stay the impugn order, Your Lordship. You have,
Impugn letter, why not? If you are going for 31 recruitment and if it is not in accordance with the rules,
because we don't know, Your Lordship, the strength of the AE, Your Lordship, AE post, Your Lordship. here.
the letter clearly says direct.
Because they are saying 38, and here it has reflected, Your Lordship, additional 31, Your Lordship. Let me take the instruction, Your Lordship, next week, Wednesday, Your Lordship. I'll get the instruction.
Your Lordship, in page number 2220, my lord, clearly,
You could have made your case very easier saying that 31, they have requisition for direct recruitment.
my lord.
Therefore, that is against the rules. Then this could have considered,
Yes.
you are importing 38 from nowhere.
My lord.
That is the vacancy position, which is not reflected in the impugn order.
Yeah, yeah.
How can this court go beyond that?
Actually, those 38, we are,
I'll take the instruction, Your Lordship, next week, Wednesday, Your Lordship.
We stay, in the meantime, we stay this impugn order.
Your Lordship, in the
Prima
next
facie,
state,
it appears-
on the next date, Your Lordship, impugn, prayer may be considered, Your Lordship, not now.
your Lordship, it is this prima facie case, my lord.
You are confusing your case.
My lord,
It is a prima facie or not, okay,
Yes.
but you are
Sorry.
confusing your case.
sorry, my lord.
You are importing posts which is not reflected in the impugn letter.
Yes. And my lord, at any time, my lord, from reliable sources, my lord, we have gathered, my lord. This post might be this advertised anytime, my lord. That's why this stay of this impugn order is necessary, my lord.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present writ petition has been filed. Seeking for a direction to question set aside. The letter dated 5/8/2024. Written by the Joint Secretary, PWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, to the Secretary, AP Public Service Commission, Itanagar. Requisitioning 31 post of assistant engineer against direct recruitment quota. Stop. The petitioners. Or were, the petitioners are presently serving as junior engineers in the Arunachal Public Works Department. And has been serving the department for 18 to 21 years. Stop. New para. It is the case of the petitioner that the letter dated 5/8/2024 requisitioning 31 posts of assistant engineer against direct recruit quota is in violation of the recruitment rules to the post of assistant engineer rules 2005. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner, by referring to column 11 of the schedule of the rules. Provides that the method of recruitment to the post of assistant engineer, correct?
Yeah.
Assistant engineer is 50% by promotion and 50% by direct recruit. Mr. So-and-so further submits, further by referring to column 12 of the schedule of the rules, submits that the promotion from amongst the junior engineers the submits that the criteria for promotion from junior engineer to the assistant engineer it is 8 years of regular service for diploma holders and 5 years.
Your lordship, that has been amended.
Yes, I am, and 5 years of regular service for degree holders in that grade. It is further submitted that by the notification dated 27/10/2008, the rules 2005 has been amended. The schedule to the rules, has been amended. And it is now provided that the promotion from the junior engineer of the department eligible for promotion to assistant engineer is 8 years of regular service in the grade and passed in accounts examination as junior engineer. Stop. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner has the requisite qualification as prescribed by the rules. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. MS Senso, learned government advocate appears for the state respondent number
1, 2, and 3, Your Lordship.
1, 2, and 3. You will be appearing for
4.
and Mr. A. What is your good name? A. Abam. A. Apang. Learned Senior Counsel appears for the respondent number 4. Stop. No formal notice, therefore need be issued to the state respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate. To the learned government advocate as well as the learned senior government advocate, as well as the learned senior counsel within
3 days,
within a period of 3 days from today. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and the materials available on record, the letter dated 5/8/2024, written by the Joint Secretary PWD, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, to the Secretary AP, Public Service Commission, Itanagar, requisitioning 31 posts of assistant engineer against direct recruitment quota shall remain suspended till the next returnable date. Okay. Yes.
May I please, my lord? My lord, this is transfer matter.
It was the impugn order.
It is just page, my lord, 29, my lord. Page 29. Page 29, my lord.
Where is your serial?
My name is at serial number 3, my lord. And private,
Any private respondent?
yes, serial number 2 is the private respondent. In the same impugn order. Herein, my lord, may kindly precisely take note of, my lord. Serial number 3, me, my lord. I was transferred from Dibang Forest Division Roing to Miao Wildlife Sanctuary Division Roing. And my remarks column, my lord. My post, it is sorry, my lord. Now let us come to, my lord, serial number 2, my lord, private respondent number 3, my lord. He is serving as DAPO Sagali Forest Division, my lord. And then he is transferred to Dibang Forest Division Roing in my place, my lord. Kindly come to remarks column, my lord. As additional charge, my lord. So very interestingly, my lord, there are various forest division, my lord, in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. And that comes under 4 circle, my lord. Western, Eastern, Central, and Southern Circle. This DAPO Dibang Forest Division Roing, it falls under Eastern Circle, my lord, under Chief Conservator Forest at Teju, my lord.
What is your grievance?
Grievance, my lord, within the span of, my lord, only when I have completed 6 months. Now kindly come to previous transfer order, my lord. There is at page, my lord, 21, my lord. Herein, my lord, private respondent number 3 is, my lord, at serial number 1, my lord.
Petitioner is in serial number 1.
No, my lord, 3, my lord. Page 21. And private respondent number 3 is in serial number 1, my lord.
Private respondent.
Number 3 is in serial number 1. He was earlier posted there as a DAPO Meow Wildlife Sanctuary Rohing, wherein now I have been posted, my lord. And then my name is at serial number 3. I was transferred from DAPO Namsai Forest Division to DAPO Dibang Forest Division Rohing. Hardly I have completed 6 months, my lord. And then now this transfer, impugned transfer order, my lord. So precisely, my lord, for an example, my lord, when the circle, there are 4 circles, my lord. What they have attempted to do in this impugned order, my lord, the officers, divisional officers, who is there at Tezpur in another circle, is given the charge to the divisional office at Guwahati, my lord, which is practically not possible, my lord. So if these two transfer order is compared and perused minutely, my lord, it is nothing but to accommodate this private respondent number 3 at Rohing, my lord, who was transferred 6 months before, my lord. So therefore, my lord, this transfer order is, my lord.
The government should be given free play in the joints as far as transfer order is concerned.
That is there, my lord. But then when government, they have their own guidelines.
Your only case is that actually this transfer order has been issued to favor the respondent number 3.
My lord. And then violation of guidelines, my lord. Guidelines says, my lord, 2 years. Kindly come to page, my
I
lord.
think this court will not interfere with the transfer order.
My lord.
We are not interfering.
Kindly come to, my lord, page 41, my lord. Regarding this, my lord, guidelines.
Guidelines are guidelines. These are not mandatory.
But then, my lord, that has to be honored, my lord. We have some decisions of our own High Court, my lord. Page 41, my lord. It says 2 years, my lord. And it has to be strictly complied with. May I read, my lord? This is of 18 August 2021. In inviting a reference to the government order number so-and-so dated 2nd June 1998 and amended order thereof by so-and-so dated 19/12/2008 regarding policy guidelines on transfer and posting of all the categories of the officials and staff under the government of Arunachal Pradesh. It has been observed that departments are not following the guidelines scrupulously. Hence, the aforesaid transfer posting policy guidelines are reiterated for the strict compliance of all departments. Further, it is hereby clarified that in terms of the guidelines, under reference, the normal tenure of posting for all categories of officers and staff is 2 years. Now, while issuing this impugned order, my lord, this instruction, my lord, these guidelines, it was not given due consideration, my lord. That is first ground. And secondly, my lord, the manner of the transfer, it was, the impugned order, it was passed, my lord. Kindly, precisely, I am repeating again, my lord. This private respondent number 3, my lord, before 6 months, he was there at Rohing as DAPO Meow Wildlife Sanctuary at Rohing, my lord. And then he was transferred to Sagali Forest Division, that is in the district of Papumpara. And in between this,
those things are okay. Those things are up to the government, not for this court to decide.
No, my lord, the manner, my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, this one, kindly see. And it's a D, my lord, page 29, my lord, this transfer order, my lord, input transfer order. Here, my lord, division is same, my lord. It's in drawing only, my lord, where the petition has been transferred, my lord.
What do you say on the circular? Which is issued by you?
Yes, my lord, that's true, my lord,
41, page 41. What do you say on that circular? Page 41.
that's true, but my lord, this is in same division, my lord.
Oh,
Same
it's all
division,
right,
same
same
page.
division, whatever, but what do you say on this page 41?
It's true, my lord, the transfer guidelines is there, my lord.
May I please, my lord, two citations of our own High Court.
But Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner is impugning the order dated 21/8/2024 issued by the PCCF and HOFF within bracket EF and CC. Transferring the petitioner who is serving as DFO from Dibang Forest Division, Rowing, to Mihao WLS. It's Wildlife Sanctuary.
Wildlife Sanctuary.
WLS Division Rowing. And posting to respondent number 3, who is serving as DFO, Sangli Forest Division, to DFO, Dibang Forest Division Rowing on additional charge. It is the case of the petitioner that by the order dated 14/2/2024, the petitioner has been posted to the present place of posting, correct?
My lord.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the impugn order dated 21/8/2024 violates the circular dated 18/8/2021 issued by the government of Arunachal Pradesh, Department of Personnel, under the signature of the Chief Secretary to the government of Arunachal Pradesh, laying down the guidelines on transfer and posting of all categories of officers and staffs under the government of Arunachal Pradesh. In the said circular, it has been observed that the departments are not following the guidelines scrupulously. Hence, the said circular has been issued for strict compliance of all the department. In the circular dated 18/8/2021, it is also seen that the normal tenure of posting for all categories of officers and staff is 2 years. Mr. Senso? No. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Ma'am, you are appearing for all the respondents?
1 and 2.
MS Senso appears for the respondent number 1 and 2, therefore no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned counsel for the respondent number 1 and 2 within
2 days.
within a period of 2 days from today. Insofar as respondent number 3 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of
2 days, man.
2 days from today. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and also the materials available on record, it is ordered that it is ordered that the order dated 21/8/2024 issued by the PCCF and HOFF within Brigade EF and CC, transferring the petitioner from Dibang Forest Division Roing to Mehau
Meow.
WLS Division Roing shall remain suspended till the next returnable date. Okay.
Highly obliged, madam.
Yes.
My lord, this writ petition, my lord, has been filed as a matter of abundant caution. In fact, 2 writ petitions are already pending before this honorable court.
Okay.
Wherein, my lord, the appointment of the private respondents has been put to challenge on the ground that they have not been appointed after a due selection process, dehorsed the rules, my lord. So, my lord, when the pleadings were exchanged, my lord, the new documents were filed, wherein, my lord, it was shown that they were regularized on the basis of a recommendation of a selection committee. So we have put to challenge that in this writ petition. So, my lord, I pray notice may be issued and this may be taken along with WPC 166/2024 and 266, my lord. It's in fact listed today.
26, 27. Today's-
Listed today?
Yes, listed today. Two writ petitions because in the meantime, 2 persons were promoted, man.
Okay.
Now 3.
In item 26, madam, we have already filed our affidavit, madam.
analogous to writ petition,
WPC 166/2024,
WPC
166, and 266/2024.
166/2024,
Yes, and my
And-
lord, 266.
266
2020.
2024. Mr. Deepangi, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the present writ petition is analogous to WPC 166/2024 and 266/2024. Take the present writ petition along with WPC 166/2024 and 266/2024 and listed accordingly. Okay.
My lord, may kindly issue notice, they may like to respond.
This one, let us, when, this is fixed today, 166.
Yes, 166, my lord, we will pray for filing rejoinder, they have filed their affidavit.
No, when, taking up this, will issue notice,
My lord.
okay? You kindly remind me, Mr. Bangi.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes, please.
My lord, the petitioners are serving as MTS staffs
Okay.
such as carpenter, mason, maid, chowkidar, peon. Since even before coming into existence of the present department. And for their earlier, there was no proper recruitment rule for all these posts, equivalent posts. And in the year 2019, the government has government has come up with a recruitment rule for the same. And it says minimum 15 years of service and 50% by direct recruitment, 50% by limited departmental examination. But superseding seniority, the private respondent has been regularized. Therefore, I'm challenging their appointment and praying for direction to the department to conduct limited departmental exams for our regularization. It's a limited prayer, my lord. My lord, the recruitment rule is at page number 95.
Recruitment rules.
My lord. And the relevant provision is at page number 97. Column 10,
Page
97. Column 10, my lord.
97.
Yes, my lord. Column 10, my lord. Method of recruitment, whether by direct recruitment or by deputation transfer, and percentage of the vacancies to be filled by various methods. My lord, in the next column, 50% by direct recruitment on the basis of, we are not concerned about this, my lord. Next B, 50% of the vacancies shall be filled up from amongst the existing unskilled contingency staff who have completed 15 years of service and who possess education qualification of class 10 public ITI or equivalent for certificate from a recognized board or institution.
Do you fulfill this qualification, class
Yes.
10 and ITI?
Yes, ma'am. Therefore,
We cannot direct the government to conduct a departmental inquiry for regularizing your service. That power is not,
violating
With us.
this and the APSSB Act, Arunachal Pradesh Staff Selection Board Act, they have regularized the private respondent. They're two superseding us, who are seniors to them.
you are senior
Yes, my lord. we
in
had
the
discussed-
MPS.
Yes. more-
The private respondents are also contingency.
Yes, they are
in
also set
contingency
into bullet
service.
post. My lord, we have served the department for, some of them have served the department for 34 years, some 33, some 30 years. And we have also appeared in the threat test. In the year 2013, the government took a policy decision
to regularize us, and they conducted a trade test. That too we qualify. 2013. That's
So you are submitting that the private respondents, they have been regularized in violation of these rules.
yes,
Why?
because my lord, to regularize them, the rule is 50% among us. Under limited department and examination has to be conducted.
So,
But without any examination, they have been given.
oh, without examination?
Yes.
Mr. Shenso?
Lordship is issuing notice only.
Will issue notice.
Yes, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, at this point of time in 2019, Lordship, they have been taken track test, Lordship. If Lordship see the orders, track test has been taken. Accordingly, only they were selected.
Okay.
And then this,
We are not passing any outbursts against you.
yes,
We will only be passing order with conditions,
yes. Otherwise, this.
but will not be disturbing, will not be, at this stage, we will not disturb you.
APSCC has come later on, Lordship.
Heard, Mr. Shenso? Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case in brief of the petitioner is that the petitioners were appointed as contingency staff in the Rural Works Department, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, between the year 1989 to 2000. So in the year 1995, Irrigation and Flood Control Department, within bracket IFCD, was created and bifurcated from Rural Works Department. So thereafter, in the year 2004, the Irrigation and Flood Control Department, IFCD, was renamed as Water Resource Department. The petitioners are presently serving in the Water Resources Department. And they are in service ranging between 24 to 34 years. The petitioners in the present case are aggrieved by the actions of the government regularizing the service of the private respondents. It is the case of the petitioner that the regularization of the private respondents is in violation of the rules called within apostrophe 1, the General Arunachal Services, a service, Group C, within brigade ministerial, close brigade, multitasking staff, multitasking staff within brigade Duff Tree / peon / chowkidar / mali / barber / cook / washerman / cobbler and equivalent post. Close bracket, Common Recruitment Rules 2019. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner referring to the schedule of the rules, to the schedule in the rules. Schedule 10, correct?
Yes.
Schedule 10, is it?
Yes, madam.
Referring to schedule 10 in the rules. Submits that. Referring to schedule 10B.
B.
Schedule 10B of the rules provides that 50% of the vacancies shall be filled up from amongst the existing unskilled contingency staff who have completed 15 years of service and who possesses educational qualification of class 10 / ITI or equivalent pass certificate from a recognized board or institution. Stop. The selection shall be done by the Arunachal Pradesh Staff Selection Board on the basis of merit, adjudged through limited departmental examination. Through limited departmental examination. Okay. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the private respondents has been regularized in violation of the rules, more particularly Schedule 10B of the state rules. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. MS,
Yeah, the lordship, I'll be for 1 to 5.
MS so-and-so, learned government advocate accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. So the learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
3 days.
a period of 3 days from today. Insofar notice upon the respondent number 6 to 12 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days.
3
days.
3 days from today. It is made clear that the regularization and promotion, if any, vis-a-vis the petitioners shall be subject to the outcome of the registration. Okay? Yes.
My lordship,
Yes.
here leading counsel is out of station, your lordships.
Leading counsel for which party?
Petitioner, your lordship.
Petitioner.
Yes,
Who
as
is the
per
leading counsel?
B Picha, Binter Picha.
B. Picha.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel submits that.
Private respondent, your number, private respondent number 5 yet to file affidavit, your lordship, here in this case. Sole private respondent.
The leading counsel for the petitioner, Mr. B. Picha, is out of station and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. The private, none appears for the private respondent number 5. Yes. Okay.
All right.
Ma'am, have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, my lordship, fine.
None appears for the petitioner. Listed after 4 weeks. Yes,
My lord. Item number 15.
yes.
My lord, the leading counsel is in court. So may pass over question.
But in fact,
You have not filed your affidavit. Who has not filed the affidavit?
No, no, my lord, this case was, in fact, it came up yesterday. If your lordship remembers, my lord, it was supposed to be sent to arbitration.
Where is the leading counsel, Mr. Kato? Where is?
Is appearing in court. Other court, therefore, may pass over for some time.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am, you are appearing in this case.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm for respondent number 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
Have you
We have
your
filed our
affidavit?
counter affidavit. Yes, Your
You have
Lordship.
filed?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner? None appears for the petitioner, listed after 4 weeks.
made,
Yes,
my lord, meetings are complete, my lord, maybe fixed for admission hearing.
who is for the government? Ma'am, pleadings are complete.
Yes, definitely.
We have filed our affidavit.
You will not be filing your reply.
I have seen the affidavit, my lord, there's nothing there.
Okay. Mr. Deepangi, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will not be filing affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondents. Stop. Pleadings are complete. Listed for hearing in the usual course.
No.
Yes.
From the record is revealed that respondent number 3, 7, and 8 has not done any service notice.
3, 7, 8,
Yes,
still awaited.
waited.
3, 7, 8. What do we do?
We have to wait for some more days.
Awaiting return service on respondent number 3, 7, and 8, listed up to 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, we are not received our extra copies. Your Lordship.
You have not received the
Yes, sir.
copies
Extra copies. Your Lordship.
of the petition,
Yes, sir.
ma'am.
We have
You
already,
said
yes, Your, we have already served. the
When?
copy.
you will furnish.
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I don't remember, Your Honor, but we have already submitted,
Your
furnished
Lordship,
the copy.
we are representing for 1 and 6. For, in regard to 1, we have.
Madam, you are for respondent number
1 and 6, Your Lordship.
1 and 6.
Yes.
1 and 6. 1 and 6, okay. What about the other respondents?
Others are, Your Lordship,
2, 3.
information commissioners there. Your
Yes, whether council has appeared.
They have their own standing councils there. Your Lordship.
P or more learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5. Oh. What about 2, 3, and 4?
2, 3, Your Lordship, there is a standing council for information commission. Your Lordship. Standing council.
Miss P. Sangeeta Dhanasek. None is appeared, none has appeared. Have you served notice?
Yes, Your Honor, we have served the notice.
Nothing is mentioned. What about 4 and 5? These are private respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship, 4 and 5.
You take fresh steps, okay, for service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3.
Okay.
2 and 3, okay? MS so the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 and 3 by a registered post with AD within
Within,
My lord,
2 weeks, Your Honor.
I am for the private.
yes, within
Within 2 weeks, Your Honor.
within a period of
2 weeks, Your
3 days.
Honor. Okay. Your Honor.
Within a period of 3 days
Yes, yes.
from today. Yes, ma'am.
My lord, I am for the private. Yes.
What is your prayer? Have you filed your affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Maybe granted some more time to file.
And ma'am,
Yes, Your Lordship. We need one more extra copy, Your Lordship.
you kindly furnish, okay?
Yes.
The learned counsel for the petitioner shall also furnish extra copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate.
Your Honor, interim may be continued.
No, learned government advocate within how many days?
3 days, Your Honor.
Within a period of 3 days from today. The learned government advocate for the respondent number MS so the learned government advocate for the respondent number 1 and 6. 6 for 3 weeks time
Yes, sir.
to file, you have filed, huh?
Yes, yes.
To file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed?
Ye-
Listed?
My lord, I'm seeking time. Private respondent is seeking time.
Oh. The learned government advocate for the respondent number 1 and 6, as well as Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5. Are allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed after 4 weeks.
Your Honor.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship,
You are
yeah.
1 to 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
No affidavit.
Yes, it's ready, Your Lordship. Within this week, I'll file, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, moreover, I have to take fresh step upon the respondent number 5, Lordship.
Respondent number
5.
5, Lordship. Private respondent.
5. You take fresh steps.
Yes.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps upon respondent number 5 by registered post with AD
Yes.
within a period of
3 days, Lordship.
3 days from today. Stop. MS so-and-so, 6 for a week's time to file
Lordship.
affidavit in opposition. Listed after 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent is yet to file affidavit.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, madam, main party is PP, madam. Public prosecutor will file, madam.
Public prosecutor,
Yes, madam.
you will be filing affidavit?
No, madam.
Who is to file affidavit?
Respondent number 3. That is DGP. As per 116,
The respondent number
3.
3.
Yes.
on 16/05/2024. The
Three, on which date?
16/05/2024
16/05/2024.
Yes.
2024.
directed to file affidavit of the record of the instant petition.
Yes, ma'am. I think there's a direction.
Yes, my lord, but that's for PP, my lord. He's appearing for 3, 4, and 5, my lord. Public prosecutor, my lord. I'm for civil, man.
You are for PP?
No, my lord.
Oh,
I'm for 1, 2, 3, for 1 and 2, my lord.
who is the PP?
He's in port number 2.
MSL Hagi.
Yes, ma'am. She's in port number 2, ma'am.
Affidavit has not been filed.
Not. Next date, Your Honor.
Directed has been already. MSL Hagi, the learned additional public prosecutor. Shall bring on record the reports by way of an affidavit as ordered by this court on 16/5/2024, listed after 2 weeks. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Mobilize.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship.
Here, my lord, some analogous matter is still pending in the apex court, my lord. That's why we need some more time, my lord. This is regarding compensation, my lord, land compensation.
Yes. There's analogous matter pending before the apex court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is that case? SLP?
SLP number 5662 of 2023.
SLP number
5662 of 2023,
5662
of 2022-23, or 2023, ma'am.
2023.
Yes,
SLP number also.
Yes, ma'am.
So we direct to list this case after the disposal of SLP?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that similar matters are pending before the Honorable Supreme Court of India in SLP number 5662/2023. Stop. The writ petition be accordingly listed after the disposal of SLP number 5662/2023 by the Honorable Supreme Court. Okay.
Much obliged.
Wait, please.
Yes.
This is that connected matter, my lord.
Where is that writ petition? The first one?
First one is 166, my lord. In that, in their
166.
affidavit, my lord. My lord, grant us some time to file reply.
In which
Item number 27, 166.
WPC?
166. Government has filed the reply.
This 166 was filed this morning?
No, my
my lord, it was filed on
365
22nd.
was filed this one. 365, item 3. 365.
Where is that 365? Which was to be listed with this? We have passed order?
Motion 3.
Yes.
I think we have passed, yes. WPC 365
65.
this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Item
morning-
three- Item 3.
Item Item 3. Okay. So in 166, you will be filing your reply to the affidavit filed by the
Government, state respondents, just.
state. Yes. How much time will be required?
My lord, they are praying for having it fixed on 5th. I will file before that, my lord, but
On
Since we have filed IA. challenging the- We are the private respondent. So there is an entry mode, with petition 166, and we have filed IA challenging that entry mode. So I humbly pray that this matter may be listed on 5th September with the consent of the
this,
senior.
I have no objection, my lord, but the I was heard. But this honorable court of the was the view that once the pleadings are completed, the matter with heard fully. I will file reply to my lord affidavit by the respondent number 4, my
here in 166.
lord.
This 166, respondent number 4.
Yes, respondent number 4.
Mr. D. Pangi, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that.
Okay, me.
He will be filing the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent. He will be filing affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we listed on 5th.
Yes.
This also
Yes, Lord.
listed on 5/9/2024.
Item 26 also same order, my lord. Respondent number
Item
4,
26,
Yeah.
26 also,
same respondent number,
same order.
same. Order.
That is IA 112.
No, my lord, item number 26,
Item
WPC 2266.
WPC, okay, WPC, item 26, same order.
Right.
And this morning's case,
Morning says, my lord, may issue notice.
okay. That, okay, we have passed one order in this case.
My lord has passed order to take it along with 166. and 266.
Okay. So in 365, I think there'll be 2 orders.
Yes,
We have passed one order in 365. So and so. And there is a thing.
my lord can pass one order and take along with this two.
No, what about the notice?
Yes,
Yes, that's right. My lord will issue notice and thereafter take it along with 166.
We have passed the order. I think there should be no confusion. But in 365, okay. That is this
Item
will
3.
be in item number
3, my lord.
3. Okay, ma'am, item 3. We have passed one order, but kindly take care. Okay. Heard Mr. D. Pangi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 4 weeks. Ma'am, you're for
And for 1 to 4, man.
MS so-and-so. The learned government advocate appears for the respondent number 1 to 4.
3 and 4.
1 to 4. What about the others?
5 to 15 will take steps.
Okay, 1 to 4.
3 days.
Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the said respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
3 days.
3 days from today. Insofar as respondent number 5 to 15 is concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
3 days.
3 days from today. Listed after 4 weeks we have said. Take, and then again, that will be confusion if you say take this case.
That is the difficulty. My lord, they are insisting, otherwise, my lord, let the IA come up on 5th, my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Let the IA.
Okay, okay. So, this IA is which number?
IA is 1112, my lord.
IA is serial number? Oh,
27, my lord, along with 27.
this will be difficult, though.
Otherwise, in 27 also, item number 26 also, there are 2 private respondents. The service is not complete.
Okay, we actually give a direction to list on 5th.
My
And
lord,
then I
yes.
think a common order can be
My
passed
lord,
on that. Okay,
my lord.
listed on? No. Issue notice returnable
On 5th.
on 5/9/2024.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, take care. Item 3. There's also one order pass, okay?
Lots of,
Yes.
I'm sorry, but can this matter be taken up some other time?
Lordship, this is a pension matter. And I have retired from the service since long back,
Ah,
but normal pension is not yet.
why, ma'am? Why no pension paid to our friends?
This is along with, Lordship, you have filed a promotional matter case also, Lordship,
Ah,
because this is pending.
Lordship, I am not pressing for that matter. Item number 29. I am pressing for item 30.
We didn't know that, Lordship.
Even normal pension.
okay, we grant you 1 week's time. Take instruction and.
Yes, Lordship, I'll take instruction also.
Yes.
Because this is 2019 matter, and then we have filed our affidavit.
You have
long
not
back.
filed.
No, long back, 2021, so
Okay.
there
Okay,
must be
give them a
some,
week's time, okay?
yes. I'll take instruction also.
MS, so the Learned Government Advocate is allowed a week's time to address the, to obtain instructions and to address this court.
But Lordship, at least for as an interim, I may be allowed to avail the normal pension. Since
Pendency of this writ petition shall not be about to the state respondents to pay the family pension,
yes,
pay-
normal pension, yes.
to pay the normal pension
Yes, Lordship.
to the petitioner, okay? If, I think
Lordship, I will communicate.
thing is found genuine, pay pension after all.
Yes, of course, Lordship.
Tell the officer also, they may also face the same situation.
Yes. Yes. Much obliged.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. Kato,
My lord.
I was
I'm sorry.
waiting for you.
My
Because without seeing your face, without obtaining your consent, I cannot pass any order.
having personal difficulties, my lord,
I know. So what should be,
My lord, in my,
his prayer is to refer the matter to arbitration as per the arbitration clause.
let
the arbitrator decide.
Yes, I'm, my lord, told by my brother, junior brother, yes, my lord. My lord, my submission is, one submission is, for that, my lord, the arbitration application has to be filed properly, man. So that
Of
it-
course,
Yes.
No, my lord.
This is, the barrier that we sought for the petitioner is something. my lord,
Mr. Kato is right. I
Yes.
think if you are seeking for arbitration,
And there
you
is
will
a
have to
provision
just file a small application.
My lord, the impediment is, my lord, in that event, if he is not agreeing to referring this matter to arbitration, then my lord, let
No,
him file
he is
it.
not saying that he is objecting,
Ah.
but he is saying that
My
if
lord,
you want to
under-
refer.
My lord, there has been an umpteen number of cases under 226 when the main player get frustrated, matters are normally referred to arbitrator, my lord. Because 226, my lord, 226 powers are not fettered by.
Okay, if you are not willing to file that, we give him time to file affidavit. That's the only option left. It'll prolong the matter.
That is precisely, my lord, my prayer was very innocuous, that there is an arbitration clause. Let this matter be referred to arbitration, my lord. The arbitrator will take a call on the dispute, my lord. That was my prayer, my lord.
Okay. So we give you time to file affidavit. That is the only option.
Fine.
How much time? How much time? You are to file affidavit? How much time you will require to file the?
4 weeks time may be granted, my lord. It is under process already, my lord, sent to the ministry for
Correct.
waiting, my lord.
Already perhaps.
Mr. See, he is not averse to the arbitration proceeding suggested by you. He's only saying is that file a small, because actually they are from the central institution
My lord,
and nothing verbal goes.
my lord.
If you are actually like willing to go for arbitration, you file a small application so that they can bring it to the notice of the authorities. See, that is the way. Then if this court passes just for arbitration, the authorities may question. That is why. He is also not averse, but he wants an affidavit, a small petition to be filed so that he can refer it to the authorities. That's all.
We will let him file affidavit in the
Yes,
meantime.
yes.
I'll also come up with a 2-page affidavit. bringing
That
on
no one is stopping you. No one is stopping you. Mr. D. Kato, the Leonard DSGI is allowed 4 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition.
Well,
Listed
my-
accordingly.
My presence may be recorded.
Mr. So-and-so appears for, Leonard Council appears for the petitioner.
Interim order may continue.
Oh, you have so many long. So the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay. Okay.
Deeply, my lord.
And this was.